Hi, this is Litre and Go today with 2019 Ford Ranger, stock number 10532. It's run from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. It's a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 crease, left rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door full dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,